Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So this video is going to be amazing because I'm going to show you how to make all these fruits, veggies, cream roll stuff and all these stuff with the clay. So as I've done a video before and in that video I've shown you guys all the things that I've made. I'm doing a tutorial for few of the easy ones because I want you guys to start from the easy one. Let me know in the comment section if you want to learn more and what all other items that I've shown you in the previous video. Let me know what all other items you want me to do. So here's the apple. So basically I've placed all these clays on the side and I am going to make all these fruits in front of you using only my hands and my nails. So now we're going for the grapes. So I've made these little tiny balls and I'm just compiling them together to form a grapes-like structure. Here you guys can see. Also my camera, I don't know why like the focus keeps shifting, so I had to adjust it again and again. Here I have my grapes. Now using all these clays, I've made these small balls of pink and green color because I don't have much time, so I'm doing it quickly. Here I've placed this green clay ball in a form of in the shape of a leaf, and I am using my nails to give the texture to the strawberries. Now quickly I've used again these two clay balls and I've made a rope-like structure. After that I'll keep them close to each other and I'll just roll them like this, and here's my cream roll. You guys can see I made them into two. After that I'm going to show you how to make these shell cookies. It's very simple, just a ball, then you have to flatten a bit and then you have to use your nails to give this texture like this. This one is really simple and it looks great, so I'll love to try these cookies. And now we have this floral cupcake. It takes a bit time because when you're working on like things of a smaller size, you have to make sure that like you do it properly, because like I'm using this tiny bit of clay, it often gets stuck in your nail. So let me show you closely how to make these flowers. Very simple technique. You have to make a rope like structure. After that flatten a bit and just you have to fold it like this, basically rolling it again like this. Very simple. You guys can see I have clay all in my nails. So here you can see I have this another flower and I'm just placing these flowers on the cupcake, the base of the cupcake, and I'm just flattening the flowers a bit so that they can stick to the base. Here the last one, let me do it, and here we have our cupcake. Let me place it here. So now we're going to work on the veggies. So I've already like separated these small pieces of clay that I'm going to be using. Here you can see them. And now I'm making a brinjal. So for that I'm using this purple clay and I'm placing a small bit of green clay at the top to give it a proper look. Now another one. So So I'm making all these like very quick. So if you want me to do it in a detailed manner, also like in a proper manner, let me know in the comment section. And if you like this video, please give a thumbs up to us. So here I am making these cabbages, basically a single cabbage. So these leaves, then I'll use a base and I'll cover it with all these leaves. You can see. So here's my cabbage ready. So now we're going to make these little carrots. So this one is my favorite because they're like really easy and they look like real mini carrots. So you just have to place the stem so that they look real, and I'm using only my nails to give texture to all these things because we often don't normally we don't have all those shaping tools and all those things available at home. So I am just using my nails. You can also use a straw or something like that. It's also easily available. And now I'm making these tomatoes. So for that I'm using simply these red clay balls. You guys can see with a bit of a tint of green. So I have also made other samples. So here I have, so basically at that time I had more clay, so I've exhausted all those. So here I have made these fruit chart and this cake. I love that ice cream and chocolate waffle. So that's all for the video. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. Thank you so much for watching.